It's probably perfect in the GoPro right now.
Welcome back to my Travel Turkey GoPro series. In this episode 3, we go to the ancient city of Ephesus and stayed in Selcuk, where things got partly weird, partly hilarious. My friend Hannah and I spent 3 weeks travelling Turkey, so subscribe to my channel Roxanne Taylor Media and hit that notification button so you can come too. Let's go.
These guys over here gave us a bus ticket, only 3 lira, which is less than $1. So we'll be jumping on one of these buses and headed straight to Ephesus. Very quick trip. We could have walked, but it was a bit hot, so we opted for the bus option. Hello! 40 lira, Swan. $8. Let's go. Not so bright on the ticket machine, am I?
Ephesus was built by the Greeks in the 10th century BC and was a key city of the Roman Republic.
Wow, that's the photo spot.
The Library of Celsus was my favourite because it was the most intact, and of course you can go to my Instagram page Roxanne Taylor Media to see all the photos we took at Ephesus. We did have a lot of fun.
It's so amazing how you can just walk straight through all the ruins. This is an old gymnasium, so this was all like baths and places to do physical activity as well as mental activity. Look at this amphitheatre, it's huge!
That night we enjoyed a rooftop sunset dinner and tried a range of local delicacies.
This is a sweet seaweed and it's come on our little platter. It's got like a garlicky olive oil flavour.
So this is us on a diet.
Forgot to include the empty bread bowl.
Then we found the rug dungeon. Turns out our waiter owned a rug shop downstairs and invited us in. We were really intrigued by the traditional Turkish string instrument called a baglama.
What's this called?
Yeah!
There you go.
This is the Boomerang Guest House in Selcuk, run by an Australian family actually.
I'm Chinese, but I live in Australia now. I'm in Turkey. I'm running the Boomerang. Welcome, all the friends.
We are in the backpackers dormitory, 12 beds, 2 people.
This one's too yellow. This one's too vanilla white. I think I'll go pink.
So much room for activities! So we ordered some rice and vegetables to be a bit healthy because we've had too much bread here in Turkey. They still brought out a whole tray of bread. Oh, teşekkürler. Wow. And you can take this, it's too much.
It's vegetarian.
A cake, like kind of like a curry, it's more like tomatoey, some peas and potato, rice, some chips and a little bit of eggplant there, and this is 15 Turkish lira, which is $3 Australian. So happy to have some rice.
We checked out the local markets and Hannah tried a traditional dessert that definitely wasn't vegan.
My guinea pig.
I'm moving from kebabs to baklava.
It's like chocolate cake with walnut pieces, so it's quite nutty. In a pastry and a scroll. What more could a girl ask for?
Next time we go to the incredible travertines at Pamukkale, and I've got a huge tip to get banger photos without the crowds there, so make sure you subscribe to my channel Roxanne Taylor Media and click the bell so you're the first to see it. Thanks for coming along with us and I'll see you again soon.
The castle on the hill.